Okay, today we're going to talk about definite articles and indefinite articles, which is the equivalent of saying the in English and saying in English. You need a piece of paper to take down these notes, and so we'll get started. The whole universe in Spanish is divided into masculine and feminine, and they are very finicky about singular and plural things, and so everything has to be adapted according to whether it's a girl or a guy and whether it's one or two girls or guys. And so when we come to the word the, they have lots of different forms of the. They actually have 4 forms of the. And we'll start with the singular masculine side. So when it's that's how you say the, when it's one masculine thing. And here's how you say the when it's one feminine thing. When it's many masculine things, it is los, and when it's many feminine things, it's las. So what are we talking about here? Well, it depends on what we're talking about. So like, for example, if we're talking about the car, well, if it's one car, you would say el carro, which is the car. But when you're talking about cars, you cannot say el carros. You have to say los carros. And there's a lot of rhyming in Spanish because notice those things look the same, OS, well, they rhyme it out. If you're talking about a feminine thing, like a pen, a pluma, and you have one pluma, and you're talking about the pen, it's going to look like that. La pluma. But if you have pens, you cannot say la plumas. You have to say las plumas. Notice these things are all lined out here. So that's how you say the. And if you want to say in Spanish or un, it would look this. It has different forms: masculine, feminine, plural, singular. So let's say we have one car, a car. It would be un carro. But if you have some cars, you would actually say unos carros. If you have a pen, it's going to be una pluma, if you have one pen. But if you have some pens, it's going to be unas plumas. And you can see how these endings all match up, and it makes the language an easy language to rhyme because of all these things that have to match up. So, real quick, these are called indefinite articles. We want to say or some. This is this is some. This is this is some. This is the, this is the, this is the, this is the. And you can see how they think in terms of gender and also singularity and plurality.